What's up guys, Joey here and welcome to 365 WebX, and today I want us to talk about security. Yeah, security is very important, and but a lot of people take security for granted, and that is bad because it's going to turn around and hurt you. Okay, so I want to talk about why you should use Wordfence plugin if you're using WordPress. It's a must, okay? It's a must. I'm not saying you should use Wordfence plugin. I'm saying it's a must that you use Wordfence plugin. And why should you use Wordfence plugin? And it's because just of recent, since the start of COVID, you've had a lot of businesses, websites hacked, database hacked and tampered with. You have a lot of brands and companies, entire businesses, taken down as a result of negligence of security. So that is why I'm making this video. And if you're one of those who take security for granted, you have to stop. Okay, security comes first before any other thing, even before your business. Okay, so because it's like having your home lacking security. Do you know what that means? Okay, so security shouldn't be neglected. And so today I'm going to tell you why you should consider using Wordfence plugin. And you can see on my screen right here I have 4 different messages, and these messages says the same thing. I'm going to open this one. You can see support, that is support from my email there. That is where I'm receiving all this email, and it says 61 messages. Okay, and they all say the same thing. I'm gonna open this message, and so this message reads, okay, maybe I should start from top. It says email from blah 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 was on this date, and it goes for to say the Wordfence administrative URL for this site is blah 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 blah. I'm going to close this for security reasons, and it says a user with IP address 192.105.194.91 has been locked out from signing in or using the password recovery form for the following reason. And it said exceeded the maximum number of login failure, which is 20. The last username they tried to sign in with was Brands Express NG, which is wrong actually. Actually, which is right, but very strong actually. So the duration of the lockout is 4 hours. User IP want to blah 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 blah. This IP here, you can see the IP here. I'm going to highlight it. User host name is this, and user location is Quezon City in Philippines. Now the second one, another address, and this one is in North Macedonian, and another one with this IP, which is Saudi Arabia, and another one which is So, and Another one, which is this IP, and this one is in Philippines as well, and this one again, which is Algeria, and another one which is Chile, and another one here which is United Kingdom, another one which is this United Kingdom as well, and this India, Brazil. You have Brazil trying to hack me as well, Turkey, Kuwait, France, Zimbabwe. Now, from the look of things, and you have all these countries, okay? So, from the look of things, I think what this person is doing is using a VPN, and with the help of a VPN, he's able to change his address. Okay, that is the work of the IP. It mirrors your IP to a different location, so it's not actually your main location or IP is not actually detected. This is what this person is doing. I'm telling you, this is just one person. It could be maybe one or two or even three, but it's not as much as 61 people trying to hack me. Okay, it's just one person or two or three trying to hack me, but making use of a VPN to divert their location, so they are not traced. Okay, so this is a more reason why you should use a Wordfence plugin. I'm not being paid by Wordfence in any way. I don't have affiliate with them. Maybe in the future I will, but if you're serious about your security, okay, now imagine if I didn't have this in place. That is how I would have been hacked, because I was hacked before. One of my clients' websites was taken down, was hacked and taken down, and I accept, I accept the fault. It was my fault. I take responsibility. It was my fault because I didn't take time to put things in order. And as at that time, I have not known Wordfence. I'm telling you, Wordfence is the best security plugin out there. It has a lot to offer. Maybe by next week I'll be making a video showing you how to make use of Wordfence. It's a very beautiful plugin with a good interface and a good UI. You're going to enjoy it, and of course you can just put it there and go to sleep. It does everything for you, and guess what, it also updates it. You have the option to to allow it to update itself. So it's fixing bugs here and there that are possibly to fail. So guys, thank you for watching. That is like I said, I'm gonna make a video detailing how to make use of Wordfence plugin, the free version, and possibly maybe I'll get the pro version, and show you what you stand to gain in the plugin. So please, if it's good to design websites, it's good to have websites, but if your website is lacking security, and some people go as far as saying, okay, because I have SSL, I'm covered. You're not covered. I'll tell you why. They are going to break through and they are going to hack you. Okay, so having just SSL on your website is not a guarantee that you're secured. Okay, you have to take extra measures to make sure yourself and your clients are on the same page. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you next time. And of course, please do give this video a thumbs up, and please do subscribe to our channel to help us grow, and see you next time. Bye bye.